Hello. In this video, we will talk about cutting foam core. You'll need some surface to cut on. You can use a specialized cutting mat. I actually don't have one, so I'm just using cardboard. And you need a very sharp blade. I'm changing my blade right now. I'm using an X-Acto scalpel, but a box cutter with a retractable blade also works very well. And you also need a metal ruler, not a plastic ruler. You do not need a pencil. You'll do all your markings with a knife. So I want to take 1 centimeter off of this piece of foam core here. So I will butt my knife against the foam core and then butt the ruler up against the knife. So I know that the ruler and the foam core are aligned. And then with my knife, I will make a small mark where I need to, so 1 centimeter. And then I will do the same thing on the other side. Align the ruler with the edge of the foam core and make a small cut. My room has very bad lighting, but it's really not a problem because your knife can now find the marking you made. Just slide it and it will fall into that mark here, and then butt your ruler up against the knife and then do it on the other side. Go back and forth a few times so you know that the ruler is aligned with both markings. And as you cut, do your best to cut straight down, not at an angle, because then you'll have more sanding to do and future cuts may not be accurate. So I make a light pass, usually just cutting through the top layer of paper, and then a few more passes. And that's it. That is cutting foam core. Thank you for watching.